Hello, for sale is my 1978 Dodge 400 cubic inch Cobra Tradesman, or B300, Tradesman 300. Haven't started up in over 24 hours, so I'm going to do that right now and show you what a cold start looks like. Here's a ladder thrown on the driver's seat, get that out of the way. There you see she fires right up. We also have a backup camera, which is really nice on a larger vehicle. My audio may have switched over to Bluetooth, so I won't talk too much more, but we also have the ability to cast the iPhone screen device. So if you want to watch a movie or put your GPS up here, you can do that too and still retain audio output. Show you that she doesn't stall out. Timing's real nice. Mileage at 65,855. Just had some extensive servicing done and all the fluids replaced.